We will need chords E minor, G, D, and C. So let me play the verse and then I'll come back and teach you how to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The picking pattern I'm doing here is strings G, E, A together and then C. So G, E, A, C, G, E, A, C. So I'm counting, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I switch to the next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. So G, E, A, C, G, E, A, C. So together it sounds like this. 1, 2, slow, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch chord. 2, 3, 4. C chord. So up to speed, it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Because I fell under your spell of love, no one could deny. And that's the verse. All of the verses follow the same form. At the pre-chorus, you have chord C, E minor, G, and C. Then you start again with C. So it's going to feel like you're on C a long time because you start and end with it. The strumming pattern that I like here is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Start again, C, E minor, G. You're basically doing an up strum right before a chord switch. So the singing note here is if you're holding a C chord, your E string. Don't you? So let's try the chords in the pre-chorus. 1, 2, ready, go now. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Start the sequence again. Can't live a life running from I will always want you. Dramatic pause. And then we go into the chorus where the chords are G, D, E minor, then C. I think we need a more dramatic strumming pattern here, so I did down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then the next chord. Let me play it for you. If you're ready, join along. 1, 2, 3, 4, go down, down. Never been so hard in love. All I wanna do was do was all you ever did was let it be up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so let's try that again. 1, 2 at the G. Go now, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down again, and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Play that E minor C again. E minor here, C, and then we're going back into a verse. So you can go back to picking. Or you can stay on a strumming pattern like down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Like, please don't be boring. Please add variety with this song. It's such an epic song that if you stayed in one strumming pattern the whole song, like even something like this would put me to sleep, okay? So have fun with it and do something different. We have one last section, which is the bridge. So on the bridge, you know, the mood totally changes. It's very kind of mellow. So maybe you can just do something like the picking pattern that we did. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. So you could do something like that, like what we were doing. You can do just one down strum per chord with a chunky part of your thumb, and that would give you a really soft strum that would sound like this. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. And then you would do this for the first section if you wanted to. And more down strums. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. I guess I should have let you in. And then you go back to an interlude, which is the same as a pre-chorus. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always love you. I came like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Could you do this whole song with one strumming pattern from beginning to end? Yes, you totally could. Should you? No, you should be musical. You should be interesting. You should add loud sections and soft sections and finger picking and strumming. And even if you're a beginner, you can do it. You can totally do it because the things you're doing with your strumming and picking hand don't change the speed of the fretboard hand. The fretboard hand is always moving at the same speed, whether you're doing one down strum or 15. So why not make it interesting? If you enjoyed today's lesson, you could support this channel by hitting the like button, by leaving a comment, by shopping on my Etsy shop. It has a bunch of amazing ukuleles, ukulele shirts, ukulele journals, ukulele bags, everything. So that's another way to support the channel. And join Patreon. We have so many awesome lessons on Patreon. I teach things over there that I can't teach here because we meet live via Zoom, and I can watch you. I can give you feedback. I can give you bonus tips. So join us there. It'll be so much fun to see each other on camera. Thank you, Jonathan, for editing today's audio, and thank you for hanging out with me and playing this super cool song. Let's do it again sometime. Ciao.